guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am so tiny. I am literally 4'10", and on a good day I am 4'11". But with that being said, guys, today's video is on this look right here. I hope you guys like it. I think it's so cute for like fall, and these lips, girl, they tie everything together, right? Now, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel down below. It's totally free, and you know, hit that bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. But with that being said, you guys asked me to upload videos on the brand Amorus, and this is a look that I created using this palette right here. Now guys, this palette is so freaking damn gorgeous. It is $15 and it is a steal. You guys can create so many colors with this palette, and I mean, it's a 32 press pigment shade. So there is the color story. It's so freaking beautiful, guys. I absolutely love it. I really love the soft shades over here, the neutrals down here, and then the bright shades over here. So I really do like it a lot. I know I can create a lot more using this palette, but it's so freaking damn pretty. I know these down here are amazing for like a fall look, but I feel like I've been making too many fall looks, so I'm gonna stay away from the neutrals. And I actually use these shades right here, kind of like these red and purplish orange tones. So yeah, guys, it's super pretty. I really love this palette. Like, it's super pigmented. I love this press on. It is called Brillante. Guys, I'm so sorry. And let's do this one too. This one is Fiesta, and let's do this Luscious. Okay, so let me put it down. That's how these shades look, guys, and I will swatch them right here. Guys, I'm sorry. There we go. They are so damn pretty. I know you can't really see this one right here, but I swear my camera isn't doing justice. But super pretty. I do recommend getting this shade, guys. This palette. It's for $15, and I mean, it's called Hibiscus Dream. It's so pretty. I don't know, this brand is super underrated. It's just a very affordable brand that literally anybody can get. And you guys know my channel is basically about these affordable brands, and this is honestly one of the brands that I have been loving since I actually discovered them. Not since I started doing YouTube, but more of like since I discovered them, you know. They're just very cheap and expensive, and I mean, the pigmentation, like, look at this, guys. Like, the pigmentation is there. Like, you guys can tell that it's there. So I do recommend, if you guys can get your hands on these palettes, I do recommend getting your hands at least on one of them, and you guys can try them out. You know, it's $15. Why not just go ahead and try it? They do have sales going on literally like every time, so I do recommend that. But anyways, yes, ladies, let me stop talking and let's just get right into the video.